Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products in the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're looking at what I believe to be the best 12 volts gel battery, the Miady 12 volts 12Ah rechargeable sealed lead-acid battery. A top choice for those needing reliable, long-lasting power for various devices. The Miady 12 volts 12Ah SLA battery comes as a 2-pack, making it a great value for both personal and professional use. This battery is designed with absorbed glass mat, AGM, technology, ensuring it is completely sealed and spill-proof. AGM technology helps provide consistent and stable performance, even in extreme conditions. Whether you're looking to power your home alarm system, emergency lighting, or even a fish finder, this battery is up to the task. One of the key advantages of the Miady SLA battery is its longer service life. Unlike traditional lead-acid batteries, the Miady is designed to last longer and withstand deep discharges, making it a more durable option for various applications. It offers a stable performance throughout its cycle and can be mounted in virtually any position, which adds to its versatility. The construction of this battery is something to note. It features a sturdy ABS plastic case, which gives it resistance against shocks, vibrations, and even extreme heat. Whether you're using it in high or low temperatures, this battery is designed to keep working reliably. Another great feature is the maintenance-free design, with the VRLA, valve-regulated lead-acid, technology. This battery doesn't require regular maintenance, eliminating the need for frequent checks and watering. It's also spill-proof, which means you won't have to worry about leaks or spills, a common issue with some other types of batteries. In terms of applications, the Miady SLA battery is ideal for a wide range of uses. It's perfect for emergency systems like UPS devices, home alarm systems, and fire or security systems. It's also a great fit for electric scooters, gate openers, and even some gardening tools. The flexibility it offers in terms of compatibility makes it a must-have for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient power solution. The dimensions of the Miady battery are 5.9 inches in length, 3.66 inches in width, and 3.82 inches in height, making it compact enough for many uses but still powerful enough to provide the energy you need. It weighs about 6.85 pounds, so it's easy to transport and install. If you're looking for a high-performance, reliable, and long-lasting 12 volts battery, the Miady 12 volts 12Ah rechargeable sealed lead-acid battery is one you should consider. It's designed for ease of use, durability, and performance. And with a 12-month hassle-free warranty, Miady ensures that you're making a safe investment in your power needs. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews from Product Critique. See you in the next one.